welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking about on biology. First of all, where is biology and why is biology important? Biology is study of living things and their visual process. The field deals with all the physics, chemicals aspect of life. The modern tendency toward cross-disciplinary research and the unfictions of scientists' knowledge on investigations from different fields has resulted and signifies overlap on the field of biology with other scientist disciplines. Modern principles of the field chemistry, medicine, and physics, for example, are integrated with those of biological and in areas such as biochemistry, biomedicine, and biophysics. Biology is subdivided into separate branch of convents of study through all the subdivided or interpreted or by basic physics. Thus, what is custom to separate the study of plants from the animals and the study of structure of organism from that function physiology. All living things share in common curtains biological phenomena for example, various of means, reproduction, cell division, and the transformations and the genetical materials. Biological is often approached on the basics of level that deals with a fundamental until of life, and at the level of molecular biology, for example, life is regarded as a manifestations of chemical and energy transformation that occurs among the precious laboratory instrument and technology. It is impossible to understand and define with the high precious and occurrence living their material reproduce and the molecular level spatial occurrence in those advanced. With the rise of genomics in the late of 20th and early 21st century, cell biology is the study of cell, the fundamental until of the structure and functions in the living organism. Cells were first observed in the 17th century. With the compound microscope was invented. Before that time, the individual organisms was studied as a whole in field now as organism biology. That area of research remain as important of components of the biological science. Population biological deal with group of populations of organisms that inhabit a given area and regions. Included at that level are students of the role of specific kind of plants and animals play in the complex and self-representations. Internships that exist between the living and the non-living worlds as well as students of the field in controls that maintains those relationships naturally. Those broader base level molecule cells, whole organisms, and populations made the further subdivision our students, giving rise to specifications such as morphology and taxonomy, biophysics and biochemistry, genetic and aerologic. A field of biology may be especially concerned with the investigation on the kind of living things. For example, the study of birds, the study of fishes, and study of microorganisms in the microbiology. Homostate. What is homostate? The concept of homostate that living things maintains a constant internship in words was first suggested in the 19th century of French physiological, and Claude Bernard was started that all the visuals mechanicals varied and we have only one object that the presumptive constant the conditions of life as organelles convinced by burns apply for the struggle of single organism to survive. The concept was later extended to include any biological system from the cell entire biosphere of the area. The earth inhabited by the living things, unity all living organisms regarding of the unique has contained biological chemistry and physics characterization in common for all of example are composed of basic unit now as cell of the same chemical substance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.